Hey everybody, and welcome back to Nwi Rc. Today I'm going to be reviewing this brand new Horizon Hobby Sonicwake. It's a 36-inch self-righting boat. Basically, if it ever rolls over, these holes here will fill up with water. It'll roll your boat back over, and once you plane out, your water will come out of these holes right here. You'll see the canopy here has a piece of styrofoam, so I'm assuming when you lose this, it'll actually float for you, so you don't have to worry about that missing. I do have some waterproof tape. When I have the canopy on, I am going to tape it. That's coming in. I also have another product from Horizon Hobbies that's coming in that's going to be awesome. So stay tuned for that video. But, you know, basically what I like about it, they went to all the spectrum, ESC and motor, and also they got the metal gear servo, which is laying down flat. That's nice. It does have the SR315 receiver in here. So instead of using the stock remote that comes with it, which it's not a bad remote, I'm sure it works fine, but I am going to use the Spectrum DX Rugged. That way I could program it in here and it works fine. I already bound it. I have plenty of videos out there showing how I bind all the stuff. It's real simple to do. This is the bag that come with. It's got like your antenna tube. It has your some grease in here, some instruction manuals, a strip of Velcro. Looks like there's a sticker in there. What's up, Batman? What's up, buddy? Looks like he wants to come and help and inspect. But anyway, guys, this here boat runs on 6S. I will be using the Spectrum G2, the smart batteries, the 5,000 milliamp, and it's a 50C rating. Gonna go ahead and get these charged. I'm thinking about taking it out today, but I'm not sure yet. Some of the other parts that I bought through Horizon is this Passport GPS speed meter. I think these are really nice, but I also have this Powerhobby that I ordered, I believe, on Amazon. This one here you have to connect to your phone, but if I'm recording to my phone, it's just going to make it a little more difficult to pull up numbers unless I screen record, which is fine. But at least I have two of them, so I can mount them in there, and this one you can read it on board. I also got the Esc Programmer. It's the V2 version. Gonna check that out and see whatever adjustments I could do with this. I also have a bunch of Arma vehicles with a lot of Spectrum stuff in there, which I can use this for all of them as well. Up next is I bought this grease gun here, and this was included in this whole order. And I guess it's really nice for when you have to remove your prop after each run or every 15 minutes or so, and just grease the shaft and get up inside here, the stinger and all that. So yeah, I think that'll be a nice thing to have. And so I went ahead and got an extra tube of grease. And then I ordered the startup tool set for the Proboat, and it comes with some nice tools. That way I could keep all this together in my field box, so when I go out with the boat, I have a nice case and everything like that. I'm going to go ahead and get the antenna installed, which from my understandings, I'll show you, that I already popped the lid off and I traced the antenna wire, and it's running through this tube right here. And that's as much as you get right there. So I'm just going to take the antenna tube and just make a little shorty. Doesn't, you know, doesn't have to be sticking out as long as I have it, but I am going to trim it and just have it maybe an inch or so above that. So yeah, what do you guys think, man? This is a super nice boat. It also does come with its own stand. And see if I could get a close up on the rear end here. You got your adjustable turn fins, nice and sharp. You got your adjustable trim tabs, nice prop. You have here your rudder, which allows dual inlets that allow water to travel through here when you're going forward, and it runs it up into your motor and ESC. This is just a protective cover, which I'll leave on for now. All right, guys, you let me know your thoughts on this boat. Like I said, this thing was on pre-order, and a lot of YouTubers out there had gotten this boat sent to them. Well, I went to preload it. I went to pre-order it, but unfortunately on any preloads, at least through Horizon, they won't let you go through PayPal and do the the credit through PayPal. So once it was the other day when this boat was released, I woke up one morning and it said it was available. Even at Tower Hobbies it was available. So I went to Horizon and seeing that they had it, I went ahead and ordered it and got all these other wonderful parts with it. All right, everybody, stay tuned, and we are going to take this thing just for a quick run and see how it handles in the water. We'll test the self-righting feature and go from there. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is going to be the first run, and this is a little test run here. Just make sure I'm on my Sonicwake. Go ahead and turn this on. And by the way, this is the next day. I didn't have time yesterday to run it, but I did charge the batteries up. I do have my speed meter on, but in this pond here, I don't have enough room to really get up to speed, so I won't be using it. And so let's go ahead and get it powered on. And everybody, also I'd like to let you know that I did order some Z-Pack batteries. They are the 9,000 mAh 100C rating. I think they're like just a hair over 6 inches long or something like that, but there's plenty of room in here, maybe about 2 or 3 inches for adjustability. So we'll see. Right now we're running the Spectrum G2 5000 mAh 50C. Make sure everything's working. Get the cover off. All right, guys, let's see what happens. All right, so my steering is reversed. And I gotta set the trim on this, guys. So I'm gonna bring it back to me. So let me hurry up and do that now. So I gotta go here, reverse, steering reversed, and now my travel, because I can tell it's not turning nearly how it's supposed to. Just making sure that thing isn't going down. So let's go to travel. Okay, I'm going to turn the steering up. I'm just going to take it back up to 100 where it was factory set for this remote when you're pairing. Oops, hit the trigger. Okay, we'll leave it at that and let's see what she does. I don't like the steering on this, guys. Beautiful.